Welcome to my champs. Today we are going to be doing Dreambox zoning, and now we're on the dinosaur one today, and we're going to be doing this lesson. So it has like a little tally chart right here. So it says use the tally chart to represent all the amount of yellow objects on the bar graph. So yellow hats. So how much yellow hats are there? There are 4. And how much jackets? Yellow jackets are there. There are 6. Then now we go to sheepers. How much sheepers are there? There are 8. Then we go into kickballs. There are 5. So if you don't really understand this, if it's in the middle, that's the middle of it. So 4 and 6 at the middle of that 5. That means this will be 5. And then if it's at that number, right at there, that means that's how much it is. So strip mark. Now you can see that some moving right here. So it says how many yellow objects are in the category most and the least. So the most is 8 and the least is 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Or 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 8 minus 4 equals 4. That means the answer must be 4. So now, the next one. Now it says use a tally chart to represent all the amounts of kickballs on the ball. White kickballs, there are 5. Then brown kickballs, there are 5. And blue kickballs. How much blue kickballs are there? 4. Then how much purple kickballs are there? There are 8. So now let's see what it says. So it says, what is the combined total of 2 categories of kickballs that are counted the most? So the 2 categories that were counted the most were 5 and 8. So what's 5 and 8? 5 plus 8 would equal 13. So the combined would equal 13. So let's put that to the So now it's gonna go present. Gonna get a present. Let's see what present it is. Just barely ate a carrot. So now we're gonna do the next lesson. Let's see what we have here. We have a coin. Now we have 321 coins. Now we're gonna do this one. So now we're gonna be doing this lesson. So now we can make our own categories. So we're trying to create a graph to represent data on the tally chart, starting by selecting the title and categories. So this is like an example. So now we can do any category. We could do brown kickballs, superheroes, jackets, then hats. Oh yeah. Oh, I was mistaken. So it's matching. So now we're supposed to match everything. So now the color is supposed to be red. So now forward. So how much were the categories? So now we can count how much the chart. So this one usually the chart for. It has two classes and for each one that's 5 and 2 5 makes 10. So that I know which one's it. So how many kickballs are there? So 10. Now we have so how many kickballs? No, we can't do this. So let's go to the third one. So there's 10 hats. So then how much shoe pairs? So how much shoe pairs there are? There are so shoe pairs there were 10. There are 13 shoe pairs. It's in the middle of this. And how much hats are there? So the amount of hats are 10. And the amount of shoe pairs are 13. Oh, I did that. And now we're gonna do jackets. Jackets, there are 7. So right here. Then how much hats? Where did check mark? Hope I was mistaken. So whenever you wrong, it usually just does that. So that's what happens if you get it wrong. But now I'm just gonna really do it. So now it says how much red objects are coded in all. That means how much red objects are there in all. So there are seven kickballs, and there are 13 shoe pairs. And how much hats? There were 10 hats, and then jackets there were 7 jackets. So 7 plus 10 equals 17. So that's still not the answer, so we can't put that in just yet. So 17. So let's just write that. 17. So now these two are crossed off. So now we just need shoe pairs. Now we just need shoe pairs. Shoe pairs and kickballs. So how much shoe pairs are there? There are 13 shoe pairs. How much kickballs are there? There are 7. So 13 plus 7, 20. So 17 plus 20, that would equal 27. Oh no, plus 7, that would equal 37. So let's put that in this. 37. Now we're going to do the next problem. So how much red objects we're putting on? So now let's just copy it again. So red, try to find red. So red, kickballs, shoe pairs, then jackets, and hats. So now we're trying to find how much. So let's move on to 3. So how much kickballs are there? There are 8. So 8 is right here. Then how much shoe pairs are there? the 6. That would be right here. Then how much hats are there? Hats? There are 15. So that would be go to this. And how much jackets are there? There are 6. So we would go to this. Check mark. So now it says use a ball. What is combined two categories of ball that count the most? So the two that will count the most were 15 and 8. So what's 15 plus 8? 15 plus 8. So 15. So plus 5 would equal 20. And there's still 3 more. That's 8. So that means that would equal 23. The answer is 23. So now we're doing it all over again. The choreograph data chow starting by chow. So kickballs. Now we'll do blue. So I'm going to do this. I went ahead and did it. So now how much blue? So now that's too much. So that's about 3. So there were 15 blues. And then how much purples? There were 8 purples. And then purple, there is 8. So that. And then brown, how much brown? There is 7. So, and then now we're supposed to do red. So how much red? There is 11. So now let's put a check mark. Now we're done. So now it's one more. So what is the combined total of two categories kickballs that are counted the most? The two that are counted the most were 11 and 15. So 11 plus 15 would equal 10 plus 7 equals 20. And then there's still 6 left, so 26. 6. Check mark. Now we are done. So now we're done, but now we're just gonna get this backpack. Let's see what it is. It's a coin. So now we have 321. So now we're done. Hope you had a good time on this. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and subscribe, and goodbye.